away. There is, you know, the cold wind in the front here. That's also a little trouble for me. But its assistance is very good, very nice. It helped me so much. So I don't have this serious trouble with my lungs. So you know, it's not easy. I have it here again, but my camera there. It's okay. So, and you see, this play is very nice, you know, it's very easy. I have this control here, you know, up and down for my assistance there. You see, I can get on the 0 there is you don't have the assistance, and then you can go from 2, 3, 4, 5 in the big, you know, you can have a 5. Up very big, you can have a 5. I think that. And try that to have this 5 before it's very big, you know, and take down to gear 3, you know, before you come to do this mountain. Something I don't remember what the name is in English, but okay. I talk English so good I can, because it's many people out there so don't understand what I'm doing. No, they think this is a mad Norman from Norway. Some have a big trouble. I don't know. I don't think about that. But you know, okay. I try it again. See, I have 0. I will go up to 2 here. I have 3 now. I go up to 4 and 5. It's very easy. That was also electric bike, the fat bike he had. I say up in 20 now, 21. It's very easy. I must take it easy. Very nice dogs. Then I see I have 27. I have to take down to the 3 and take assistance 5. I hope it goes okay. You see, my God, this, you know. It's very easy, you know. The battery take me, the motor take me up, you know. It's no trouble. And I come up here, I take down to the 2, assistant 2, it's okay. And I stop down here, little things here. I stop little there. Oh, Sorry. So you see, now it's very easy. That was the big mountain for me, you know. And I have assistance 5, and I nearly bicycle, you know. The mood to take me up. That was so nice. Last summer I get to stop 4 or 5 times in that, you know. 4 or 5 times in there, in this. Was big trouble for me because my lung condition. But you see, I don't stop one time. This was very easy. Oh my God, this electric bicycle kit was for me like a dream. Okay, so we bicycle again. How long I bicycle now? Total. I forget to zeros this, but okay. Total 19 past 4 kilometer. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I don't see. Look at here. You can see difference. Total 2 past 8. 1 past 9. 2 past 8. 28 kilometer. So okay. I remember that I have a bicycle 2.5 miles last time. First time I bicycle with this electric kit, so I can minus that after I'm ready today and see how long I have bicycled this day. Okay, bicycle again. Okay, I take down to the Assistance 1 there. It's okay. You know, you can take down to the 0 here, because and then go up to the 4, I think. Yes, and it's very nice. It's very nice.